Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I get you all. My name is Okoyeocha. Greeting you from the land of the rising sun. If this is the first time you are watching my video, like, share, and subscribe. For mentorship and learning, contact me with the links and our phone number below. The payment is only $500 one-time payment. No time limit in the learning until you are satisfied with knowledge. And in our VIP and student group, we share trade setups, sometimes signal, and you have time to share your charts, ask questions. Everything will be explained to you the way you will understand it. And we also have free Telegram channel. We equally discuss, share charts, and some questions will be answered, but you not as much as those who are in VIP and student group. Okay. Having said this, if this is the first time you are watching my video, I say welcome. Please like, share with your friends, and make a comment. That's the only thing you do for me to make my channel grow, recommend it for people, and share it. Okay. Without wasting your time, this is DXY, where we normally stand. And you know my bias is that this is wave A and this is wave B. And the wave C is ongoing. So going over to 4 hours, you will see that this moving is corrective in nature, and we cannot presume that it has ended, though it have touched the reversal zone. This is our reversal zone. It has touched it, but the possibility of it going back there is here. So let me show you on 1 hour what I mean. If we don't get a sharp move from this place, at least to break this channel, we may go back here before going down. So that's the possibility. This can be sort of this can be a sort of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is A, then A, B, C, which is B, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is C. Then this will happen before this. But these days, nothing is so short in the market. So that's why I give you so many other available possibilities. So unless we get a sharp move, then I will cancel this. If not, this can still happen. Okay, but my main bias is this, because it has touched the reversal zone. Once it gets to the reversal zone, it will reverse, or it may go back and go deeper into the zone before going down. Okay, having said that, let's move to the USD, which is opposite to DXY. So there's nothing much to explain. If we don't get a sharp move from here, we may get a lower move again before going back. So in order to waste on USD, because what happens on this Y happens to USD, the opposite manner of it. Yeah, so let's move USD card. Let's check 4 hours. USD card. I'm expecting the pair to give me a lower move. I'm showing you 4 daily charts for a long time. So showing you once again, this is possibility I'm looking at. This may happen before this. So that's why I'm showing you daily again. So going back to 4 hours. You know, this is our reversal zone. It didn't come to the reversal zone, but I don't think it will still come down up. It will come up here again. I don't think. So going down to 1 hour, you will see that this is 5 waves. This is 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm expecting an A, B, C as wave 2. Wave 2, wave 1. Then we get 3, 4, 5. So unless I see a move that goes above this zone, then I will wait for the next reversal zone. But for now, if I get a good A, B, C, I will sell from here. That's my target. Selling from here. similar to USD chef, something similar on USD chef. So USD chef, you can see we are getting a kind of ending diagonal. And however, we get an ending diagonal, unless it breaks this channel, then it can still go higher before going down. In all this, what I'm trying to say is that this is not time to buy either USD chef, USD card. I can't buy them now because I'm expecting it to give me a new low for now. Anyway, so let's continue. Pounds USD. Let me show you daily. Pounds USD have a structure on them that I'm thinking it's gonna happen. I'm still waiting for this ABC to happen. I can only stop looking for this ABC if the price goes above this zone. If price goes above 1.317, then I'll stop looking for this. But as long as it haven't gone to there, I'll be still looking for it. Let's go to 4 hours. Though this 4 hours is moving corrective manner, I haven't seen a sharp move. Only this one is a sharp move I get. So this one being a sharp move, I take it as wave one. But to confirm that it is wave one, this current moving up won't close above this. If it goes above this one, I will cancel this move. But if it gives me a good ABC, I will sell from here. Then secondly, the selling can equally be an ABC, which will make it go up again. But first of all, let's know what happens here. Let's know what happens at the reversal zone first. Before we know, after trading this, we now check again. AUD USD. AUD USD is a kind of, this structure makes this chart difficult to trade. Because why? Let me explain. This is a pure ABC. But after ABC, we're supposed to get a kind of sharp move correction. Then you know that the better is about here we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which can be a wave A. Then we may get wave B, another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need to be careful following this. And secondly, if I can count this as I will count this as W, X, Y. It's possible, but this move is too short to be with Y. Meanwhile, in the corrective market, anything can happen in correction. So correction doesn't have standard anyway. So if this is what happened in future, I will know. But for now, I cannot say I'm sure this has happened. So let's see 1 hour. And this 1 hour looks corrective to me. Unless we get a sharp move. If you get a sharp move, then I will forget about this. If not, I expect this to happen. A, B, C. Then it will go down again. Okay. Let's go to New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD is clearer than AUD USD because if you see this one, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Though the wave 3 is not extended anywhere, but sometimes you can do what we call leading diagonal. So if I get correction from here, A, B, C, or any form of correction, then I will know that the buying will start. And if New Zealand USD is buying, AUD USD will also be buying. So it's quite for patience to know what happens after this move. We know what happens here before we decide whether we are buying or we are still or not or selling. Okay. JP225. Yen pays JP225. To me, last week I said that I'll not buy anything now because it is almost whenever you are expecting, whenever you have a new high or new low, you must be very careful because sometimes the market will just make a new high, move about 20, 30, 40 pips and begin to go down. So in that case, you must have a nice structure before you pull the trigger. So on this one, I'm waiting for it to give me the first leg of reversal before I know what I will do. Okay. USDPY, I don't see the markets going above this place. I see this one as leading diagonal with 1, with 2, 3, 4, 5. So, but not yet confirmed. Before I will sell, I will have confirmation that the reversal has occurred. Here is my target for reversal. If I come to this zone, I wait for it to give me a move that shows that it has reversed. And if it reverses from here, it will be a very good trade because I am expecting not less than, let me check the 4 hours. At least I'll be expecting at least this thing. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'll be expecting at least. I'll be expecting at least 1,200 pips or 100 pips. So it will be a nice trade if I get the selling pattern from that zone. USDPY, similar situation. Let me go back to 1 hour. So you can see the market has gotten to my reversal zone. Though, in my own opinion, as far as the wave is concerned, if it will be 5 waves, then this wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4, 5. So it may give us one more move up, and it will be an ending diagonal again before selling. But this is not a must. If I see set up from here, I will share it both in free group and in VIP. So because there are a lot of money to make on yen pays. They have been going up, up. Without giving us a nice reversal. So sometimes it must happen. Hence JPY. The same situation. Because all of them have touched reversal zones. But will they go deeper? Will they go deeper or higher? I don't know yet. So that's why I'm showing you this for it to be at alert. If you are our Telegram channel, remind me to check all these yen pays, whether on a free channel or on a paid channel. Free channel is 2, the one that I only post and the one for discussion. So you can remind me to check yen pays during the week because the market can start falling from here, or it will go a bit higher before it begins to fall. But falling is imminent. There's no doubt about it. So let's continue. Gold. Gold and silver is where gold. What I expected in gold is this type of move. This is what I expected in gold. A, B, C. And I can see it is wasting a lot of time here. Meanwhile, I will not buy gold now because at least if gold doesn't want to sell to the standard zone, at least it will give us an A, B, C. At least it will do something like this before buying. In any case, we're gonna wait for gold to break this channel before we sell. Whether the sale will be much or the sale will be shallow, I don't know, but I can't buy gold now. Let me show you 1 hour. This is why I said that gold will at least give me ABC is this. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. And this can be with A. Okay. Then this can be with B. Then we get another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's why I said, even if I will buy gold, let this give me at least a nice A, B, C. But I'm interested in selling gold and silver rather than buying them. Your silver is even more. Silver structure is even better than gold because silver is showing us a kind of ending diagonal. You can see with A, with B, and with C is making like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if this were 5 finishes, whether it comes to the reversal zone or not, let me go to forward. Here is the reversal zone for silver, here and here. So these two when we play out, unless this reversal zone, this end diagonal may keep it from coming to this zone. But if it will delay, it can keep shifting until it comes to this zone, touch the reversal zone. Secondly, it can be a kind of A, B, C, W. You may even get this type of move on silver. It's because before going down, it runs A, B, C, which is W, then A, B, C, which is X, then Y. All these things are possible. So have it in mind. Don't focus only on this dropping. And I say it always. You don't just enter because I said this will drop. This is the nearest possibility it will drop. And before you are trying to sell it, you consider your risk reward, because selling this, your stop loss will be here. And you can see that selling something from here, targeting here, risking here, doesn't make meaning. So you better leave it and focus on what is happening around here, because the buying will be better unless it do the other alternative, A, B, C. Then buying from here will be good because stop loss will be here, and this reward will be maybe 1 to 3 or 1 to 4. So you always know when to buy and when to sell. That's why I tell you to get knowledge. People blow the account every now and then, but when you tell them to pay little money to learn, they will not like to pay to learn. Anyway, it's their problem. I spend money learning. That's why I'm not doing this. If I don't spend money learning, I will not have the knowledge. People looking for signal, and I always tell them, if I have been with signal providers, how will I get my own knowledge? So that is it. Platinum is going down. Don't know how else to say it. Last week I say it is going down, but once it breaks this zone, know that it is going down. Even if it goes up from here, it can only do, maybe this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It can only do a kind of either leading diagonal, running flat or expanding flat. So as long as this here is intact, platinum is going down. There's nothing I can say further than this. US oil again, I don't see any other pattern. Even if oil will be going up from here, it's possible, but I don't see reason why it will up from here, because this is an A, B, C. So to me, this is A, B, C. And after that, this is wave 1 to me. Then this is wave 2. Remember, wave 2 can replace 99.9% of wave 1. Have that in mind. So to me, this is what is will happen. I sold gold last week. I close partial, I take partial profit here. Leave the one or break even. It's close or break even. But I didn't expect this very sharp move. I expect this type of move. Then to sell again. But even from here, I will sell because the risk reward is much. Because if I sell from here, I will only risk maybe kind of 20, 30, 40 pips to target 150 pips or more. So it's a good risk to take. But meanwhile, the best thing is to wait for sell setup, because no setup for now. And 1 hour, look for sell setup or 1 hour. That's the best thing to do. But if you like risk, you can sell from here without looking back, because I don't see any other thing that makes sense, if not to continue selling. US 100, they have all make a new high, but on US 100, my target is this zone, 18500, 1900. So is it for you if you will still look for buy? This is daily. If you must look for buy, you go down to 1 hour and look for buy. 1 hour. I can't buy here because and of course they have it have a long way to go. But my fear is that it may give us something like this. It may suddenly move down before do this again. So you can see, you can just out of fear of missing out, you enter buy from here. Before this will happen, the account will be wounded. So to avoid that, the patient look for other pains. When a certain pain is not clear enough to trade, look for others. There are so many things to trade. SP 500, same thing. They are still going up, but buying them from the present price action, what I don't want to do. And what I want to encourage you to do as well. So this one is also going up. One thing is clear here. This is wave 1, wave 2. Wave 3 is not yet finished, which is to give us wave 4. Then now, you can now begin to buy, because after this have finished, you get a nice correction. Something like this, or something like this. When you get something like this, you can let me do a kind of practical. What I mean. After the up move, you can do something like this. Then it will be a nice time to buy, because you are sure that this is correction. So no need of trying to force the market, try to chase the market. Allow it to give you a pattern before you begin to buy or sell. That's the same situation. They are all making high, and on DAX, I expect it to come to this zone 17160, 17200, 17250 before selling. So that's why, unless I get a sharp move down, then I look for continuation. Okay, I think I'll stop here and give you some cryptos. Dow, same thing. Let's go to cryptos. Yes. Oh my God. BTC. Okay, BTC. Last time I checked it, I said it will reverse from here. Then once here is broken, it's going to go up. And you can see that's what happened exactly. So I'm removing this. Now, what next on BTC? What next? That's the question. Okay. The BTC is sharp. The moving is sharp. You can count, if you know about wave, 1, 2, 3. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, 4, 5. This is wave 1. This is A, B, C, wave 2. Then wave 3 is 1, 2, this is 3. We are looking at a kind of A, B, C, 4, then 5. After this, it should be a time to sell before buying again. So if you trade Bitcoin as margin, you better wait, or maybe when you have something like this happened, you trade with lower lot size. Then after wave 5 finishes, you need to look for sell with lower lot size. You now buy again with a normal lot size after the ABC. But remind you, BTC always do double correction. After ABC, you can make W, then make X, and make Y. So be careful. Bitcoin is always doing that. So what I'm trying to sell, if you didn't sell it, if you didn't buy it when this channel is broken, you are now buying late. That's the truth. If you didn't buy when this channel is broken, you are not buying late. And this is one of the things you should be on a Telegram channel, because if you are there and the potential to me that this has broken, I will now tell you whether to buy or not. Okay, so you don't know what else to do. I have the free channels for you, and the one for VIP and student. If you don't have money to pay, even the free one, people are making money from there. Let's go to Ethereum, and then that will be the last. I think. Okay. Ethereum. Ethereum, we have the similar situation on Ethereum. Okay, you can see it's going up, but let me check something. Ethereum, let me check something on Ethereum. If Ethereum can come to this zone, then expect A, B, C, and this trading. But mind you, it can come down from here before going up again. So that's, and I'm also say the same thing. That was it. There's always a good time to and a good place to buy. You don't buy anywhere, you don't sell anywhere, unless your account will be hot. Now let me tell you what I mean by a good time and a good place to sell. You see this. This is a sharp move. This is A, B, C. Either you sell from here as an aggressive trader, or you wait for the break of this place to sell. You can see. You can see sometimes it would give you the perfect pattern. This is a perfect pattern. We see it, perfect pattern. You see it, but this one, this one, I expect this to happen. It didn't happen. But if you go down to 1 hour, it will look like this. Let's see it. If you go down to 1 hour, now if you go to, you can see it looks perfect. A, B, C. And it begins to go up. Okay, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, ask questions. Join our Telegram channels. There are 3 of it. 2 is free. 1 is for the paid, for the students and VIP. Okay. Thank you for watching and God bless you. Bye.